Hello, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to get a Japanese computer or Japanese keyboard on your Windows 10 OS. So let's get right into it. First we're going to go into settings, then we're going to go into type in language. Down here you'll see language. As you can see, we have right here the keyboard for the USA, and it's right here. Here's add a language. Real easy. Go into add a language, find Japanese, and I guess this really is a tutorial for any language that's in here. So, take that how you will. We're gonna add Japanese, text to speech, handwriting, and whatever. Boom. Get that downloaded. And there it is. So here we have the English keyboard. Just click on this. Bam. Japanese keyboard. Bam. And this lets you choose between Romaji and the traditional Japanese characters, kanji and hiragana. So, here's let's go into a server here. Romaji, right? Or then we switch it. Ow. Bam. Just like that.